What's going on YouTube? It's your boy T-Rex again. Today we're gonna do an unboxing together with my son Cedric's Gamer.
Hi.
Alright Cedric's, what we got here? We got a parcel today. So we don't know what it is and we are gonna unbox it and see what we got. Alright, fist bump! Cedric's need help. It's taking forever now. Alright, open it. Show them what you got.
What's this?
Alright, for you guys who doesn't know, this is a seatbelt extender.
The one that helps you and then...
Yeah, the one who some people call it seatbelt Butler. So this is just plug and play. Mine's got broken, he got snapped.
Yeah, because he's in love with someone.
Oh yeah, it's not like that, it's a different story. Alright, we got this, so now we're gonna install this. It's basically plug and play and show you guys how quick it is. Fist bump!
Hello guys.
Alright, so this is for a right hand drive seatbelt extender. Mine is broken, it just keeps coming off. There it is, so it's very easy to pull off. Well, it should be very easy to pull off. There you go. Mine's got broken, this is not working. And I tried to fix it during the YouTube tutorial, but as you know, YouTube makes it easy, like they always say, but it's really hard to do. So done that bit, it works for a while, then it just gets broken, and after that it keeps flying off because this thing is like, I'll show it to you, it's like it's already been torn off for some reason. So now we ordered a new one and we're gonna, basically it's plug and play, it's a replacement. This is the brand new and this looks better than the old one. Alright, so now we're just gonna plug it in and see how it works. Alright, pause the video, Sed. Show you guys how to put it in. I have to go up. Basically, you see this bit here, you turn it over for the seatbelt to come out. That's the easy way, instead of pulling off the fuse. There you go. And there it is. All I gotta do is put that back in. There we go. There we are. And that's it. Job done. Okay?
Okay, fist bump.
No, not yet. We'll see how if it goes back.
Okay.
Oh. Make sure to forget. Press this before you close the door. And there you go. It comes off, comes back. And let's see. There you go, seatbelt extender fix.
Okay.
Put the seatbelt back in. See if it works. Alright, video that. And it goes back without flying in. That's the job done. Okay, fist bump!